Welcome, cosplayers. Have you ever wondered how to get this wide-eyed effect, but just didn't know what people used? Well, I'm going to show you today. Here at Gotham Creations, I went out to Michael's and into the cross-stitching and quilting section and got one of these. I think I paid like 68 cents for it. And after I put it in the mask, you make it for one of these cows or one of these cows. It don't matter, your preference. You get the same effect, that wide out comic effect. What you do is you take your little piece of it, curl it, you stick it in, get it closest to the corner as possible. Try to square it up as best as possible and hold it there. I like to use my knee here. Take your Sharpie and you simply outline it. Both eyes on the cow are usually symmetrical, so once you got one, you can just flip the pattern and make the other. But now, for the trick of this is, I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up, but right here, we're going to cut around and give it some extra so we have something to glue to, or Velcro, however, whatever you want for how permanent you want it. Whether you want it, you can slap some Velcro, sticky back Velcro right here, and onto the back of the cow right here in the back. Or you can just simply, like I'm going to do, is to cut out a little extra, put some hot glue, stick it right in. You won't have to worry about it falling out. So